hop, hippity hop, a boop, boop, boop.
Oh, look, reach in that basket. Grab out something good. Oh, grass.
Yes. What is this?
Oh, it's an egg. I like eggs. I like grass more. Oh, look at that hat. Yeah, we like hats. Oh.
Look at the onesie, Anna.
Oh, you got a onesie. It's got a little lollipop on it. Oh boy, we're gonna have a mess. Well, none of it makes you. We got some cups.
Some bath toys.
Oh, bath toys.
I think they interlock.
Ooh, that looks like a good one. That looks like a good one. How about this one? Look at this one. Look at that. Anna, look at this one. No? We like the grass.
You like the grass, huh? What do you think, Anna? A new toy, a new purse toy. It's like your first purse. It's got a mirror and keys.
You find one you like? Not the card.
We'll probably just put the card away. Isn't it cute, Anna? Yeah, you're a lucky little girl. You like that stuff, huh? You got different texture. Feel different.